Hey fam, this is Haro Campo and you're tuning to Easy Rap. Sige na please, wag nang mainis, bumalik ka na sa'kin. Sorry mahal, ika'y nasaktan, bumalik ka na sa'kin. Bumalik ka na sa akin. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And all the gifts do, and we were all yellow. You'll always be a part of me, I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't explain me? Oh darling, cause you always be my baby. Ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin ko hing sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi. Cause there were lifetime waited for us in a world where I was yours. Is it the wrong time? What if we try giving in a little more to the love we have it all? Kapag magulo na ang mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Ika'y sasalubungin. Halika rito, sumakal ka ng 10 minuto. Sabay tayong maglalayag sa kawalan. Sakay ng ating isipan. Iwan natin silang lahat. Tayo muna hanggang sa pagdilat pupurahin. Lahat ng alaala kasama sila. Saglit lang, tayo munang dalawa. Saglit lang, tayo munang dalawa. Ang simoy ng hangin ay tila lumalamig, dumadampi sa aking balat. Ang iyong wangis naglalayag patungo sa isang daan. Kumukumpas ang aking mga kamay. Handa akong maging isang dahang simulahang takin. Ikaw pa rin ang aking uuwian. Hi guys, my name again is Haro Campo and I'm promoting my upcoming event on schools events like DLSU, Perpetual High, and Binyan. And sa Canto Collective also, sana maka-join kayo doon guys, August 1 sa Canto Collective with releasing party with my friend AG and other artists. Tapos I would just like to promote then my social media accounts. You can follow me guys on TikTok. You can search me Haro Campo. Sa Instagram, ganun din, Haro Campo. And sa Facebook, ganun din, Haro Campo. And yeah. Remember someone today with Haro Campo. Bye fam.
Isa lang, isang
Pick-up line.
Pick-up line.
Paano kaya? Hindi ko Uy, nakakaya kila ate, nagkantay sila. Ano ba, baduy kasi na pick-up line ko. Super baduy yung pick-up line. Isip ko ako, Josh, hindi ako ready.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.